Madam Achapalun Gunlin nang koma BACN chahi kakipana kahin phong do e chule adam mo a hospital ayong boi na ya chum umjong le nangin na hin boi pi adam sela jin kakipana kahin phong do kini pathinin phathin abu nang tawna kahin gel do jingi
Hi Madam Corin Kima pau sei pa kahin kasapa pau sei kumthum set Nelisa somle pai imacha siang le hila kol sai thia nin be sui pi jeun na chong tu pa thu pathin minin kan pongin mabanin long pathinin long se na ngai lo na wang bo na achan jin ta hen ka ki pai
Respected Madam Corin, I extend my profound gratitude for your exemplary care of my children Victor and Andrew during their course. Your personal attention and encouragement during challenge have been the guiding light that lead them here. My children often speak of your kindness and wisdom as the pillar of their success. We are forever indebted to you and the entire school family for making this journey so memorable and rewarding. We are eternally thankful. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Kipae madam nakoma ki pathu sei thia kom je in pathian ka thangwa e kichan chana ka chapa na in boy pe na le na ko sa na chunga ki pathu ka in se ye nang ma jong na to na tham na lam pi apathenin pathe na bo hen lang gen the ha sa te ki tho pi zo binung pang jingen ka kipae
Hi, good evening from Manipur. I would like to thank our dear Imam. Thank you so much for supporting our brother for 3 years. Because of you, he has been completing his graduation. We are truly grateful for your kind consideration, great kindness and generosity. You have made a big difference in our life. Thank you so much from Dominton family. Thank you.
Thank you dear tabai agun Thank you ma'am janta
Thank you ma'am.
Nana Thank you ma'am
Thank you ma'am.
हेलो मैं फ्रांसिस्का पवार से हूँ डियर मैन कॉलिन रस्किन आज के दिन हम आपका दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं आपकी सीख हमेशा हमें सही राह दिखाएगी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका व्हाइट बॉक्स एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट होम हमेशा लोगों की सहायता करते रहे और आगे चलते भी बहुत कामयाब बने आपने ने काम किया है और आगे हमेशा सब रहे
Hello, Madam Masapian ni natunga ki pato ka hinggen Masapian here. Madam Insum Hasate le halone laude ka hi jaun no now komte school kai so mahasama ma hotel no kagam sungo hing boy na lai le school kai zo lo ding din muna lai no te za la graduate zo thian hing koi sa te jain natunga ki pato ka hinggen he Madam Mangpan no te hi tam join hing bo zo ta hen ki pa thu gen siam lo ka hi toi ji tanin gen bam ki pai nge